Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Middle Wave, Cooper's Plains. The phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2003 Mazda 6 Classic Hatch, stock reference number 4385. This shape runs from the 9th month 2002 through to the 7th month 2005. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Chrome radiator grille, right hand headlight. It's got a tidy front bumper cover. Left hand guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle's fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has an average tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left hand tail light does have some light scratches. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has a couple of small dents. Right front door only has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre.